Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here click on the sounds and vibration. Here you get the volume panels. Just to mute the ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here in volume keys format, to use volume keys for MIDI, you got turn it off this switcher to use the volume buttons to change the ringtone volume. And now by press your down volume button you will also mute your device ringtone. And also we got this third way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, and here by swipe this with your finger this volume panel you should also turn off this the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.